Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find all the values of x that satisfy the given logarithmic equation. And to solve this problem, we are going to start by dividing both sides of this equation by x to make sure that all the x's are on the same side of the equation. So when we do this, we have x to the power log x divided by x is equal to 1 over the fourth root of 10. Now let us remember that according to our laws of indices, the nth root of a is equal to a to the power 1 over n. So this is going to be equal to 1 over 10 to the power 1 over 4. And of course, we know that 1 is equal to 10 to the power 0. So on the right-hand side of this equation, we have 10 to the power 0 divided by 10 to the power 1 over 4. While on the left-hand side, we have x to the power log x divided by x to the power 1. Of course, you know that this is x to the power 1. Now, let us also remember that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So this left hand side is going to be equal to x to the power log x minus 1. And this right hand side is going to be equal to 10 to the power 0 minus 1 over 4. So from here we have that x to the power log x minus 1 is equal to 10 to the power minus 1 over 4. Now the next step to solving this equation is to take log of both sides of the equation. When we do that, we have that log x to the power log x minus 1 is equal to log 10 to the power minus 1 over 4. And of course, the next thing we are going to do is to apply the power rule of logarithms. That is the rule that says that we can bring down this exponent to the front of this log term to become a multiplier. When we apply that rule, this left-hand side is going to be log x minus 1 multiplied by log x is equal to, now look at this and remember that when we write log without specifying the base, it means we are working in base 10, common logarithms. So this is basically log to base 10 of 10 to the power minus 1 over 4. And remember also that log to base a of a to the power b is equal to b. So log to base 10 of 10 to the power minus 1 over 4 is simply equal to minus 1 over 4. Now here we have log x minus 1 multiplied by log x, and this is equal to minus 1 over 4. So let log x be equal to d. So this is d and this is d. Now, opening this bracket, we have d times d, which is d squared, minus 1 times d, which is minus d, and this is equal to minus 1 over 4. To solve this quadratic equation, let us complete the squares. And to do that, we are going to add the square of half the coefficient of d to both sides of this equation. What is the coefficient of d? It is minus 1. What is half of it? Minus half. The square of that is minus half squared. So we are going to add minus half squared to both sides of this equation. On the right hand side, we have minus 1 over 4 plus minus half squared is 1 over 4. Of course, now you know that this left hand side is a perfect square. So we take 1 d and we take 1 minus half and we square. Notice that if we expand this, this is exactly what we are going to get. So we haven't changed anything. And of course, this is equal to minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 is equal to 0. And the next step to solving this equation is to take square root of both sides. So we have that d minus half is equal to plus or minus the square root of 0, which of course is equal to 0. D minus half is equal to 0. Adding half to both sides of this equation, we have that D is equal to half. But let us not forget that D is equal to log x. So from here, we have that log x is equal to half. And once more, let us remember that this is to base 10. And when we have a statement like this, it simply means that 10 to the power half is equal to x. So we have that x is equal to 10 to the power half, which is equal to the square root of 10. So the value of x that satisfies this logarithmic equation is root 10. Now let us check whether that answer is correct. When we substitute into the original equation, of course, x is 10 to the power half. And this is to the power log x, which is equal to half. And on the right-hand side, we have x, which is 10 to the power half, divided by this, which is 10 to the power 1 over 4. Now, of course, this is equal to 10 to the power half minus 1 over 4. But of course, half is the same fraction as 2 over 4. 2 minus 1 is 1, and we have over 4. When we have a situation like this, remember that to take away this bracket, all we have to do is to multiply these two powers. And when we do that, this is 10 to the power 1 over 4. So what we have on the left-hand side of this equation is exactly the same thing we have on the right-hand side of this equation. So that means that this value of x is correct. And with that, we come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.